This is Dr. Cool Fix. In today's video, I'm going to be very brief with this very video here. Today, I want to address why my AC clutch is constantly engaged and will not disengage. I thought I've actually discussed something like this on my channel before, but I just searched for the video and I'm not seeing it. So I decided to make just this very quick video, what you should look out for when your AC compressor clutch is constantly engaged. Now, what that means when your compressor is constantly engaged, first of all, you have to know where the problem is coming from. You want to take a feel at the suction line of your AC system as it's running and see and feel for yourself if suppose it's doing its job. I mean, if it's cold to touch, and if it is not cold to touch, then it means there is a small problem. What is there is that this compressor is overheating, and you need to do something fast before it rests in pieces. And there could be a lot of things that actually make it to be so, like it's refrigerant styled, or there is some hindrance somewhere that is preventing the free flow of the refrigerant circuit. Now, for you to understand it very much well, we have the discharge here and we have the suction here. And the way the system is designed, the discharge into the suction, and the suction takes it back and bring it as discharge. That is exactly what it is. So the refrigerant that you get in your car, it gets discharged from here into the condenser, then the condenser reduces the temperature. If you see your AC compressor clutch continuously engaged, most of the common reason why it's engaged is because, one, the threshold parameters which the temperature is supposed to drop in the evaporator core has not reached, and therefore that's why it's still keeping it on. But if it has reached, then the power is going to cut off, and when it cut off, then this compressor will cut off, and we wait until when the temperature started building up again, then you engage back on. Then the second reason why the compressor clutch is engaged is a defective compressor that is maybe stopped. All right, so you should off your engine and try to turn the clutch by hand like this and see if it moves independently from the pulley. If it is not, then it could be stopped, and you have to try to separate it. And to separate it, you have a 10mm bolt here. Just lose it out, then set the tap here, tap it, and get it out. So you're gonna be needing to replace the pulley as much as the clutch, and that should be able to fix the problem. So aside this very factor, I don't think there is any other factor. One is you are having a poor pulling, and the system is trying to reach the pressure parameter before it cut off, and therefore it's going to keep the clutch engaged. Easy fix. I hope you like this quick tutorial on why my compressor is continuously engaged and will not disengage. Tune into the next episode where I'm going to be discussing about why my AC compressor clutch engage and disengage, engage and disengage. Catch you later. Bye for now.